Hi alle sammen. Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the 8 easiest ways to say how are you in Norwegian. If you're planning a vacation to Norway or want to learn some Norwegian words, knowing how to ask someone how they're doing is helpful. How are you is a standard greeting in various cultures, including the Norwegian. Still, depending on the setting and level of formality, this question can be asked in different ways. Today we will teach you 8 of the simplest ways to say how are you in Norwegian. These words and phrases will help you comfortably greet someone and start a conversation in Norwegian, whether you're a beginner or already know the language. So here are 8 easy ways to say how are you in Norwegian. Hvordan har du det? Hvordan har du det? Hvordan har du det? This is the most common way to ask how are you in Norwegian. Hvordan går det? Hvordan går det? Hvordan går det? This is another way to ask how are you and can also be used to ask how is it going. Hvordan går det med deg? Hvordan går det med deg? Hvordan går det med deg? This is a more formal way of asking how are you doing? Here you are expecting an answer, maybe a more longer answer and more detailed answer about how is it going or the situation. Hvordan står det til? Hvordan står det til? Hvordan står det til? This is another way to ask how are you and can also mean how's everything. Hva skjer? Hva skjer? Hva skjer? This is a more casual way of asking what's up, yet it can also be used to inquire how are you? Hva gjør du? Hva gjør du? Hva gjør du? This means what are you doing, but can also imply how are you? Hvordan er livet? Hvordan er livet? Hvordan er livet? This phrase means how's life and can be used to inquire about someone's general well-being. Alt bra? Alt bra? Alt bra? This is a shortened version of alt bra? Alt bra? Alt bra? Which means is everything alright? But can also be used to ask how are you? Learning to say how are you in Norwegian can improve your interactions with native Norwegian speakers significantly. Using these 8 phrases, you can show respect for the language and culture while talking to people you meet. Remember that the details of these phrases are essential, so practice and choose the right one for the situation. With a bit of practice and a willingness to learn, you may master the technique of asking how are you in Norwegian and open up a world of communication and connection possibilities. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no, Norwegian.no